Hey guys, Michelle here to show you an awesome Fiona feature that you may or may not have noticed and played around with. When you get your budget allocated into the platforms that Fiona recommends, you might be wondering why that is and what her reasoning behind some of these budget allocations are. If you scroll down, she's actually going to give you her reasoning behind the top three platforms she's recommending. So for this instance, it is ILS, email, and social are the three biggest buckets. And that's due to what Fiona is seeing happening in this specific market and where renters are searching and where the activity really is. That's how she's coming up with these top three recommendations. When you go into here, she gives you a lot of really great data, but you might be wondering, okay, what is the main thing I need to do here? So what she's actually going to give you is in recommendations and action plans to take back to your vendor, to your internal team, to your ILS rep, whomever it may be. So for this property, there is a good amount of ILSs they're running on. And here kind of Fiona's top recommendations by that platform. So you can really easily take these bite-sized pieces, copy and paste them, look through them and discuss them because this is a lot of information. So Fiona really wants to kind of break things down super easy to show you why she's recommending a lot of these budgets and these changes. You'll see that for email, again, there's a lot of really great trend information, but then there's also really awesome action plans and tips that she has here for you. So the point of these tips is really just so you can easily take these, copy and paste them, and send them off. And you aren't really spending a lot of your day worrying about what you need to be doing. It's all really written out here for you, pretty easy to take back to a vendor. So you can see for social, she's really saying that in this specific market, they're indexing a little bit low. The average renters on Facebook and Instagram. Therefore, social can really help improve the awareness and the conversion rates, but this market isn't going to produce the exact same results that we would expect for some other markets. So this is a really good time to kind of look at that and think, is this where I should be advertising if I really want to spend awareness? And then you might be wondering, well, I really want to know what our SEO team should be doing. So this is where you can kind of look at the budgets and play around with them. $8,000 is a pretty hefty budget. So if we kind of maybe just bring that down, um, Fiona can kind of really force SEO into there. So you can see she's suggesting a $500 SEO budget, and then that's going to prompt her to send out some commentary regarding that over here. So you can see that the action plan for this, again, super bite-sized pieces for you to take and give to either your web developer, your SEO team. Since websites are kind of a joint effort, it can really depend on whomever is in charge of this, but it's going to be really easy for you to see where you're averaging below or above industry average and kind of what you need to do to make sure that that works.